Welcome to our guide on building robust bones through workouts. In this video, we will discuss the importance of bone health exercises and how they can help strengthen your skeletal system. Whether you're young or old, it's never too early or late to start building a strong foundation for your bones. A robust skeletal system is crucial for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. In fact, bone health is not only essential for physical strength and mobility but also for overall well-being. As we age, our bones gradually lose density and become more prone to fractures and osteoporosis. However, with the right exercises, we can slow down this process and even increase bone density. Weight-bearing exercises are particularly effective in building strong bones. These types of exercises require your muscles and skeleton to work against gravity, strengthening both in the process. Walking, jogging, and hiking are excellent weight-bearing activities that can benefit your bones significantly. Not only are they accessible and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, but they also promote cardiovascular health and strengthen major muscle groups. In addition to weight-bearing exercises, resistance training or strength training plays a vital role in building bone density. Exercises such as weightlifting, resistance band workouts, and yoga can help stimulate bone growth. By placing stress on your bones, these activities trigger the production of new bone cells, making your skeletal system stronger. Moreover, engaging in high-impact exercises can have a positive impact on bone health. Activities like jumping rope, dancing, and aerobics put a repetitive load on your bones, which helps increase bone mineral density. Just remember to start gradually and listen to your body to avoid any strain or injuries. Aside from specific exercises, it's important to maintain a well-balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for bone health as calcium forms the structural component of bones, while vitamin D aids in calcium absorption. Eating dairy products, leafy greens, and fish can help ensure you're getting enough of these nutrients, or alternatively, you could consider supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Conclusion: building a strong foundation for your bones is key to a healthy and active lifestyle. By incorporating weight-bearing exercises, resistance training, and high-impact activities into your routine, you can strengthen your skeletal system and decrease the risk of bone-related problems. Remember, it's never too late to start improving your bone health, so get moving and build those robust bones.